Today I'm doing my end of the summer tablescape. I've been wanting to do something different, and so I'm using the blue wine glasses from the Dollar Tree, the yellow pillow covers from Amazon, the original lemon plates from the Dollar Tree. I'm using the blue charger plates that came from the Tablecloths factory. I'm using the blue rim plate or saucers from the Dollar Tree, and then the new version of the lemon plates from the Dollar Tree. These have the blue rings around them. I'm using a table runner and napkins, both from the Tablecloths factory. The napkin rings are from Amazon, the lemon napkin rings. And I'm going to be using some hydrangeas and some peonies. They're blue from Amazon. And some of the hydrangeas are from the Dollar Tree. Now the yellow lemongrass, this all came from Hobby Lobby. The lemons, I think I got them in Hobby Lobby. The placemats, they came from Pier 1. And then the moss at the back came from the Dollar Tree. The apothecary jar was thrifted years ago. Everything on the table I already had in my stash. I did not go out and purchase anything new for this tablescape. Now I'm doing a voiceover because I had on my mic, and again, I thought it was on, but it wasn't. But here's the overall look of everything that I'm going to be using in this end of summer tablescape. Now here I'm decided that I'm going to share with you how I create my centerpiece. Now it's very simple, but it's all whatever you think comes in your mind that you can put together. So I wanted to share it with you, and I hope you'll enjoy the video. Are you ready for the reveal? I hope you enjoyed the tablescape. I really had fun coming up with it. Here I'm showing you that I really don't like writing on the plate, so that's why I covered it up with the napkins. Let me know what you think of my end of the summer lemon tablescape, and I will see you in the next episode.